In video 2 of our steering mechanism, I'm going to go and click on the plus, click on create new part stereo. I will call this one, we'll rename this one the pivot spindle. So we'll just pivot spindle. So this is going to be my pivot spindle. Now there's a bit of a process to this because it's going to be an L shape. So what we'll do is we will draw a circle on the front plane. So I'll sketch and then choose my front plane and draw a circle that's 3 mils. We'll make that 3 mils, enter, scroll in a little bit. Now I need to choose the top plane. And then I'll draw a line on the top plane, so I'll give it a green tick. I'm going to go to sketch, choose the top plane, and then I want to draw a line that's in line with that. So I'll just have to go to the line tool, make sure I hover over that and draw a line, and then that line will be 13 mils long, so 1, 3, enter, and then press escape, give it a green tick. Now I need to sketch on the right plane, so I'm going to click on the right plane, and now I want to have a line going up there, but I first want to do a tiny bit of a curve. So right from that point up there, you can just I don't want to, so we'll just do it, say 6 mils, a radius of 6 mils, and then I'm going to draw a line straight up from there, and that line there should be 16 mils long. So click once, and then I'll make that 16, enter, and then I'm going to press escape, get out of the sketch, use my sweep tool, and then the face I want to sweep is this circle. Oh, I've got a little bit of a problem here, I didn't connect those two, so I'll need to go back to sketch 3, right click on it and edit it, and then I'll just have to grab that point and make sure I'm gonna be, so I'm totally off with that point, so I'll need to grab this, connect this with that, and then give it a green tick, or I'll have to sketch that over, I think. Oh, my line, I think, see how this line is at an angle, I have to change that, so I'll have to go to sketch 2, right click on sketch 2, edit it, and then I can grab that line that I've drawn at an angle and try and straighten it, or I can just delete that line. And then let's see if we give it a green tick now, and I still need to maybe go into sketch 3, right click on sketch 3, delete it, and then do it again. So I'll go sketch and then choose the right plane, then I'll go a little bit closer so I don't miss that point again with my 3-pointed arc, click on there, click there, and we'll just make it 11 this time, and then we need to go straight up from there, so I'll choose the line tool, go straight up from there, 16, enter, and then escape. I'm not sure if this will work really good. Let's see if we go to our sweep tool, and we'll go the face I want to sweep, and this is my sweep path, and that's going to be my steering pivot. I might have to change that a little bit. I just need to put here on the top, I need to put a little rectangle block, you'll see later, that will connect good. So what I'll do now is I'll click here on the top, and I'm going to draw a little block on there that's 3 mils high and 1.3 mils too wide. So what I'll do is I'll get my line tool, that, and then just draw a center line through there. Then I'll grab my, and then if I hover over there, that's my center line. I didn't, and then I will just click there once, and I'm going to make it 1.32, I mean 1.3, enter, and then the length of it will be the same as the circle, so I'll need to push, press escape to get out of that tool, Control Z. I need to pull that just on there, and then I'm going to extrude that for 3 mils up. So I'm going to click there, and I want to make it 3 mils. Enter, and then at the end I'll end up with this little steering pivot plus that little connector block on the top. That's all for this video.